Okay, so here's our Raspberry Pi 5 in the active cooling case. This is a turbine case from Canakit using a Mega Heatsink and a fan. So let's open it up. So there's the heatsink. So it's a bit tricky getting these out. Just have to kind of get into the side here on the bottom. I'm gonna pry it open and gently pull it apart. There we go. Case is apart. Take it out. And so now we'll take the heatsink off. Give it a bit of a wiggle and gentle pull. There we go. And there's the Raspberry Pi 5 out of the case. So there you have it. The Raspberry Pi 5 with the Canakit Turbine Case with the Mega Heatsink and Fan. I've been running the Raspberry Pi 5 for quite a while with this setup, and it cools well. It does a good job. It is a nice case. It's a nice, also nice heatsink. The only thing about the unit is the fans. All those fans, those little guys, over time, they get noisy. And if it's in a wiring closet, it's not going to bother you. But if it's in your, say it's in your media room, it might bother you. I wouldn't hesitate to buy this case. Again, it does a great job of cooling. I've got up and coming video comparing the active and passive cooling cases, two different types of cases, the Flirt and this case, if you're interested. So that's coming up. So if you like this video, hit the like button, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you'd like. See you on the next video.